Let's derive the first result. Now, integration of dx upon under the root a square minus x square. Now, let a is equal to, let x is equal to a sin theta. Now, differentiating with respect to theta, we are having dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Now, our question reduces to integration of a cos theta d theta upon square root of a square minus a square sin square theta. Now, this becomes integration of a cos theta d theta upon a under the root 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So, this becomes integration of a cos theta d theta upon a cos theta. So, we are left with integration of d theta. Okay. Now, integration of d theta is equal to theta plus c. Okay. Now, what is theta? What is theta? We have taken x, let it be, we have taken a sin theta is equal to x. Okay. Now, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to x upon a, theta is equal to sin inverse x upon a. So, putting this in the question, we are getting sin inverse x upon a plus c, and this is the required result. Okay. So, now we can write it, integration of dx upon under the root, that is a square minus x square, is equal to sin inverse x upon a plus c. Proved.